everyone, welcome to Paramount Swiftlet Farm here in the Philippines. For today's activity, we are on the final stage or the finishing of this building, and maybe in the few days from now we could start this bird's house. Since I was there in Cebu for almost 2 weeks, and this project was suspended, so, and also some of my workers have already having their vacation, so we suspend this for almost 3 weeks. And for today we're going to continue our project, and we're going to go inside. This is our activity for this morning. We excavate this portion here because for the passage of our electrical supply, we have to put down here so that the ants could not go in the wire. So we have to put this underground wiring, because if you use like this wiring, this is a temporary wiring. If we use install like that, the ant would go inside, and this is harmful to the bird. So we have to put our wire underground here. And this portion here is our space. Once again, our space for the sound system. This is imported from Indonesia. We could buy this in Indonesia or Malaysia. And this is our area where we're going to install our switch, our timer, our connection. Also, we have to put this here like that, and we have to have our connection. This is the second door, and they are now installing PVC elbow so that the light could not directly pass the hole of the PVC pipe, and we have to put about 1 foot of the, so that we have to extend maybe 1 foot so that the light could not directly pass through the hole. We had already installed our wood planks, so this is ready for the birds to build their nest. They are now installing the PVC elbow. And this portion here is the canal, or the pond where we can have water here inside the building. We have to paint this with the waterproofing, so that the water could not pass here in this flooring. And this is the entrance for the birds. Here, the circle entrance, and we have already prepared our sound system, our tweeter here. There we have to put additional Twitter. There also you see they're installing, and also I have to put hold this one so that if I'm going to wash the floor with water, the water could easily goes out. And also there, because the manure droppings of the Swiftlet is also the cause of the yellowish color in the nest because of the evaporation of the ground or the flooring, so we have to clean it. This is the entrance. I'm planning to cover that portion because the light is very and also here I have to put piping so that it is easy for us to have water inside this building. So I need to put this piping and also the faucet. And this is also the scaffolding is used also for the harvesting of the Swiftlet nest. I put wheel on it so that it is easy to move. I have to go outside. That is our existing bird's house. This is the new building. Beside is the new building. This is also a bird's house. It's newly operated. So there's a birds already go inside that building. Maybe next week we could operate this building. You have to open this for the birds to stay inside to build their nest. And I'm very happy because some of our birds are during nighttime they could not go inside the bird's house because they are already overpopulated. And this is the septic tank of this building, and I'm planning to put here a toilet or a comfort room so that it is easy for us, it is convenient for us. It's already 11:50. The food is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching Paramount Swiftlet Farm here in the Philippines, and thank you so much for subscribing, and please like and share. Thank you so much.